So we'll go to Poisson, Poisson, Poisson distribution. Okay, named after a French statistician, Poisson distribution. So there are a few features of Poisson distribution. This is a discrete distribution. So all the distributions that we have read until now are continuous in nature, right? That the normal distribution, exponential distribution, all of these were binomial distribution. These are all continuous in nature, but this one is discrete in nature. Okay, so we apply Poisson distribution when there is a discrete random variable. Okay, this describes the number of events occurring in a fixed time interval or a region of opportunity. Okay, the number of events that has happened in a fixed time interval. Okay, does it not seem little bit similar to exponential distribution? In the exponential distribution, it was just the opposite. It was how much time had passed between two events, right? And in here, it is how many events has occurred between a fixed time interval. Okay, so Poisson distribution is exactly the inverse of the exponential distribution. In exponential distribution, we calculated the time y. In Poisson distribution, we calculate the number of events happening in a constant period of time t. Okay. So there is a fixed time interval. The time interval is fixed. Okay. There is also, like exponential, there is single parameter that has to be found, that is lambda. Like normal distribution, there were two parameters. Here there is only one parameter, that is lambda. The value is always bounded between 0 to infinity. That means Poisson distribution can never have negative values. It will have always positive values. Start with positive values. Okay. And it goes till infinity. Although the graphs may die down and seem not visible, but something remains and goes till infinity. Okay. Now this the lambda equals to 3. Suppose this is 3. Is this value, the x value, where the value for the Poisson distribution is the maximum. Okay. So this determines the shape and distribution, size and shape for the Poisson distribution. Okay. Now coming to the formula. The formula for Poisson distribution is probability of x given lambda is equal to e to the power minus lambda to the power x by x. Okay. So then what will be the likelihood? Just the opposite. Likelihood of lambda given a distribution x1 till xn is equal to the product of all this, where this will be x1, this will be x1, and multiply this all the way till xn. xn. Okay, and this one will be equal to 0. The differentiation of this one will be equal to 0 to find the value of lambda. Same, we will apply log on both sides. Then we convert in this multiplication into addition, and then one by one terms we will find out. And at the end of the day, what is the formula? Lambda is equal to x1 plus x2 plus dot xn divided by, this is the value of lambda. So if you have n measurements, then you can plug those values in this formula and get the value of lambda. Once you have the value of lambda, you have the Poisson distribution. Once you have the Poisson distribution, you have the model. Once you have the model, you can do any kind of prediction on top of this. Okay. So this one completes our Poisson distribution. So we have read about normal distribution, exponential distribution, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution. There is one more distribution, and it is T distribution. And then we will move to linear regression, logistic regression using maximum likelihood. Okay. So we learned about maximum likelihood, right? So how we will do machine learning using maximum likelihood, we will learn that. You last all the classes you guys said there is no doubt, there is no doubt, but why today you are not able to solve this? That means there is
A derivative I
oh no, okay, you knew the approach.
Yeah, I am there till dl by dm equals to 0, but into when I do, I got stuck there.
Okay,
What
okay.
to do there after?
Then you knew the approach, you just stopped at the mathematics.
Yeah, mathematics I forgot.
Okay, okay, that is fine. That's fine. That is not expected. We can write a program for that, so don't need to worry about that. Okay, others, but others, you are not following the videos properly then. So please go through the videos properly. If you have any doubt, call me, WhatsApp me, ask me. Okay, because if you are going ahead with doubts, then these doubts will keep on mounting, and at one day it will become a mountain, and then you will not understand anything. Okay, so don't pile up your doubts, clear it up as soon as possible, and keep writing notes. Okay. Okay, guys. So if you don't have any more,
There is anything derivative cheat sheet or anything?
yeah, Google, just Google derivative cheat sheet, you will get it. Integration and derivation cheat sheet.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Then let's meet tomorrow again on 3 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay. If there is any doubt, then ask. Otherwise, I'll switch off the class.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
Thank you.